Today, I'm going to show you how to install an eSIM on your Android phone using a QR code that already exists on your phone. This is a super handy feature because you don't need a second device to scan the QR code. It's pretty straightforward, and you'll be up and running in no time. First, a quick note. Make sure your phone is eSIM capable. Not all devices are. You can usually find this information in your phone's settings or on the manufacturer's website. Alright, let's move on. Step 1. Save the QR code. You should have received this code on an email from us after you purchased the eSIM. This QR code is essential for activating your eSIM. Just make sure you have it handy by saving it in either your Photos or your Files app. Depending on your email app, to save it to your device, either click on the QR code or click and hold on the QR code to view the image. Then, when you are viewing the image, click on the three dots menu at the top right of the phone screen, and then choose to save it to the device. Having it easily accessible will make the process smoother. Next, head over to your phone's settings. Scroll down and find Network and Internet or Connections or something similar. This section controls your phone's connectivity options. Now look for Mobile Network or SIM Manager. Once you're in the SIM Manager or Mobile Network section, you'll see an option that says Add eSIM or Add Carrier. Tap on that. This will start the process of adding a new eSIM profile to your phone. If you are given some default carrier options, ignore them and instead choose other ways to connect to a mobile network. Your phone will prompt you to scan the QR code with your camera. At the bottom of the screen, tap the image icon and open the QR code image you saved earlier. After scanning, your phone will start the activation process. You may be prompted to confirm to add BIC's eSIM. Click Add. This might take a few seconds, so be patient. Once it's done, you should see a new profile added under your eSIM settings. This profile represents your new one SIM card eSIM. And just like that, you're all set with your eSIM. You can now switch between your physical SIM and eSIM. Pretty cool, right? And there you have it. A simple and easy way to install an eSIM on your Android phone using a QR code. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.